very popular in the US, but in Asian countries, if you go to a restaurant or a shop in the evening, you will see the neon lights in front of that shop or the restaurant. Uh, that is like they are like neon lights that are filling up, and yeah, and then catch catch people's attention. So more people will come in the shop. This time we're messing with the flashing light, and this is my version of the flashing light. I implemented 5 LED, and it only goes one direction. This is just one for loop.
Oh yeah,
this is a one direction flashing light, and there are 5 LEDs. It's pretty simple. Just use a variable I for the pin, and then try to increment the variable I from 1 to 5 to make, and then just reset it to make a one direction flashing light.
Hey guys, it's Todd, and this is a variation of the program we showed you earlier. So this is the one that has the lights that go in one direction and bounce back and go in the other. So basically, the difference between this one and the last one is that we use another for loop, and in one for loop we incremented the counter, and in the other one we just decremented it. So that just goes like that and that and that. It's pretty simple.
And today we implementing the that kind of neon light, that the same basic concept, but I use 5 LED, and so at first the LED will fill up, and then after it finishes filling up, it will turn off and then flashes like 3 times, and yeah, it's a version of a neon light that you can see at the restaurant or the shops in Asian countries that are used to catch people's attention. And yeah, and we use the Arduino to implement this, and I use 2 nested for loops in my code, which can be simpler.
Seems pretty long.
Well, because I already commented it, obviously it's long.
So this is a variation of what we did earlier with the lights that we have in Asian markets. So if you can focus there. So what I did was I used 8 instead of 5, which I'm used. So instead of the traditional filling up and then flashing, what I did was it fills up right there, and I used some pretty ones here, and then it fills out like one by one. So it goes there, then it turns off one by one, and then it flashes. Which I thought was pretty interesting diversion from his idea. So something we implemented too. Basically, how it works is we use the same format for filling that we use for filling up, and we use a condition that when the counter reaches a certain value, we just implement that, filling up, we reverse it, and we use it to turn it off one by one. So it's pretty good too.
Yeah. So there's an extra feature for this one, which is the filling out, and yeah, and there are more LEDs, which is cooler than my version.